I guess when I think about Pro Plaster, it's just the go-to for all our job. Anytime we get a high-end job, we just instantly gravitate towards using their products. So I'm Levi Fredericks with Town and Country Plasterboard. We focus on the residential part of the Gold Coast, and we specialise a lot with renos and high-end construction. And today we're in Talai on one of our big projects. So on this job in particular, we've got some custom features. We've got corbel restoration, we've got different rails, we've got some big plaster freezers that we're going to put up shortly. Really challenging profile, some really high ceilings between 4.2 and 6 meters, level 5 finishes. So we're on a job that really has just every feature you can think of, we've got it all. So we've used probably every corner cement on the market, from Knuff, Cineat, Intex, CSR, and we just find that the Pro Cove 90 holds up the best, has the best strength and rigidity for all our custom fibrous pieces, because when we're working with really heavy, really intricate pieces, you just need to have that quality product to make sure that we produce the best finish. So we've been using Pro Plaster products for years at this stage. The knowledge of the staff helping us actually understanding what's involved in the projects, instead of just turning up and having someone that's clueless and having no idea with what we're doing. Convenience is pretty good working with the team. Most of them are like ex-plasterers themselves, so it makes it really easy. Like when we're trying to communicate a job, it helps actually having people understand what we're doing and where we're going with the job. Really helps that like our products have been researched and the cut above compared to some of the other bigger manufacturers that don't really care so much about the individual tradesman compared to just the volume of work that they need to punch out. When we use other companies, sometimes we can have really big inconsistencies with the quality of their products. Sometimes it can just come out with a really poor finish, or you're just never getting a reliable standard of what the compounds are that you're getting. Using all the pro-based products, we find that it's just the most consistent, especially when it comes to scraping with the amount of beads and different stuff like that. It just has the best strength, and just mainly it's just consistent. It's always the same product every time we use it. It's just very reliable compared to a lot of the other brands, as well as going a lot further in terms of how much you get out of every single bag. And then the Hamiltons, we've been using that for years as well. It just seems to work the best when you've got different mediums in terms of painted finishes and gyprock finishes. It just seems to adhere the best to everything and have the least pinholes and the easiest sanding. Pro Plaster products, always reliable, consistent and top quality. It was a perfect fit for us.